could always be the one you wanna call when it's cold outside. I will always be the one that's right here standing by your side. Open up your heart and let me in. I promise not to break you. I promise I'll be all that you want. So let me in my heart before. Let me in. Oh, you're not.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So first, I know that I don't remember the last time that I filmed a video. I think it was like 3 weeks ago, but it's so hard because I am working outside of the house right now, and being a mom and try to film videos and work at the same time, and it's not super easy. And I know that I used to film a lot of videos during the week, and now probably it's gonna be one per week, and yeah, it is hard. But on today's video, I am gonna be reviewing the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. This is the new palette. Also, I'm gonna be reviewing the one of the bronzers and the Anastasia Beverly Hills collaboration with Amrezy highlighter. I got all these items this week, and I tried to wait until the first impression video, but it was so hard. I really want to try the palette as soon as possible, so yeah, this is not gonna be a first impression video, but I'm gonna talk a little bit about the palette, the bronzer and the highlighter. But yeah, if you want to know my thoughts and all these items, and also you want to see how I create this look today, just keep watching the video. So first I'm gonna start with the palette. The palette has the same packaging as the Subculture palette, the Modern and the Prison palette. It is, the soft packaging that we love. I love this packaging. It is so pretty, but it is a different color. This one, it is, I don't know, like a yellow. It is like a mustard color, but it's so pretty. I know that there's a lot of people that start complaining about the shades, like, because they're neutral, and they said that the colors are pretty similar to the the Modern palette. I think both palettes are different. Shades that we have on both palettes, like like the burnt orange, there's another one, the cypress umber, I think those two, and also the tempera shade. So you have the same shades on both palettes, but there's a lot of shades that are completely different. I think that the palettes are super similar, but the formula, it is pretty similar to the Modern palette, but the shades are totally different. So yeah, and you know what, I really love, like, colorful makeups with blue, green, pink. You can't use like super colorful makeup, especially if you are a professional and you work outside of the makeup field. Then you can't use green and purple and yellow on your eyes every single day. So I think that the neutral palettes are a must. It doesn't matter how many neutral palette you have. Every single palette, it is different, and the neutral palettes are a must. So I think this palette, it is perfect. It is the same formula as the Modern, not the same formula as the Subculture palette. I know that there's a lot of people that hate the Subculture palette. I love the Subculture palette. I love it. But in case that you want to know, this palette, it is completely different to the Subculture palette. So the price of the palette, it is the same as the other palettes. It is $42. It's available on the Anastasia Beverly Hills website. It is not available in Sephora yet. I think it will be available on March 6th. So now I'm gonna go with the bronzer. I love the packaging. It is the same packaging as the blushes that Anastasia released, like, I think it was in 1 year ago. I don't remember. Yeah, but yeah, the packaging, it is beautiful. The bronzer, it is so pigmented. See, I bought it. It was funny because I bought the darkest shade. They have 6 shades, and I bought this one. This is the darkest one because I always have problems like with the bronzers. Usually they are like, you know, light, or they're not super pigmented. The only bronzers that I really love right now are the Too Faced, the chocolate slate bronzers. So yeah, I wasn't sure about this one, so that's why I got the darkest shade. And I mean, this is pigmented. This is really pigmented, so I think I'm gonna get, I mean, I love it. It is a pretty color, and I really like it. I think I'm gonna get the another shade a little bit light. I think the Cappuccino shade, it is a super pretty shade. It is like a warm bronzer. I think I'm gonna buy that one, but this one, it is pretty. The bronzers are super pigmented. They are matte, they're not shiny, they blend beautiful. The packaging, it is beautiful. The price of the bronzers, it is perfect. It is $28. So the last product, it is the highlighter. Oh my god, the packaging of this highlighter, it is so pretty. It has the Anastasia logo right here, but also has the Amrezy name right here. And I really like the stars and you know, the sparkly details on the packaging. It is the same size as the bronzers and as the blushes, so I think you have a lot of product right here. I wasn't sure about this highlighter. I was like, I don't know if I need it, but when I got this highlighter and I used it, I was like, oh my god, this highlighter, it is super pigmented. It is gold, but it's not like super yellow, so I think it will work on every skin tone. It doesn't have sparkles. If you like you know, sparkly highlighters, then this is not for you. But if you love like the glowy wet look on your cheeks, then this is for you. I love any highlighters like with sparkles or glowy and wet looks. I mean, I love any kind of highlighters. But yeah, this is so pretty. I really like the wave look that they put on the highlighter. Yeah, it is super pretty, super pigmented. It is like, it is not super creamy, but it is not chunky. It is not powdery. Actually, when I dip my brush into the highlighter, I didn't have any fallout. So yeah, I think that's great. So the price of the highlighter, it is $28, which is amazing. I think for this, I mean, $28 for an individual highlighter, it is great. Most of the highlighters, like the Becca highlighters, are $38. So I think $28 for highlighter, it is great. And actually, you have a lot of product right here. So now if you want to see how I create all this look today, just keep watching.
All night, bling, bling. 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 All night.
So guys, this is the final look. As I said, I really love the product, especially the highlighter. It is amazing. I really love the highlighter. It is super pretty and shiny. The bronzer, it is great. It is an amazing bronzer. It is super pigmented. It blended beautiful. So I think this bronzer, it is great. And also the palette. The palette is super pretty. The shades are beautiful. And I think it is a must. I mean, it is a must because you're gonna use like neutral colors. In these shades and the combination of the shades, it is super pretty. So I think it is a great palette. That's the other Anastasia palette. Every single product of this collection, it is great. So I think we're done today. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like it. If you like the video, please, as always, give this video a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.